Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete videos in YouTube Studio. So if you want to remove old uploads, fix channel organization, or permanently delete content from your channel, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, open YouTube Studio and sign into your account. So this is where you manage all your uploaded videos. Next, click the Content tab from the left menu. This section shows all your uploaded videos, shorts, and live streams. So find the video you want to remove. Make sure you select the correct upload before deleting. Now click the three-dot menu beside the video. This opens additional management options. So choose Delete Forever. Remember that permanently deleted videos cannot be recovered later. Next, confirm the deletion by checking the confirmation box and clicking Delete. YouTube asks for confirmation to prevent mistakes. So if you don't want permanent deletion, you can set videos to private or unlisted instead. This hides the video without removing it. Now review your channel after deleting videos. So removing outdated or low-quality uploads can improve channel branding. Finally, always keep backups of important videos before deleting them. Storing copies protects your content from accidental loss, and that's how to delete videos in YouTube Studio. Once you understand video management properly, keeping your channel organized becomes much easier. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more YouTube tutorials.